Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to redeem a Spotify gift card. So if you receive a gift card in your premium receipt and you want to redeem it, this video is for you. So if you want to do it, it's very easy. Though fortunately you can actually do this directly from the Spotify application. So you have to go out from your Spotify application and then open a browser. So for example, we are going to be using the Chrome browser. So open your Chrome browser and go to spotify.com, log into your Spotify account, and after that you will find a page like this where you can listen to music and do a lot of stuff just like you can do on the Spotify application. So from here, just click on settings at the top right corner of your screen, and then click on view accounts. Afterwards, you just have to scroll down and you find this option in the payments section. You find the redeem option in the payment section. So tap on redeem and then just enter your premium code right there. Right, so after entering the code, then check the reCAPTCHA just like this and click on continue. So make sure you enter the premium code. Right, so that's how you can actually do it. So this is how you can actually redeem Spotify gift card. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and please subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching once again, and I'll see you in my next video.